Hi, my name's Tom and welcome along to Barbecue Life UK, where you don't have to spend a fortune to make good barbecue. Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to cook some ribeye steaks on the Aldi Kamado. One of them's a bit of a hack, so stay tuned and you'll see. The steaks that we're cooking today are Aldi ribeye steaks, 28 day matured, under a £4 a steak, absolute bargain. Let's show you how to cook them. So I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the Weber GBS style inserts. Now these fit sort of just inside your firebox on the Aldi Kamado. So all I've done is I've taken some skewers. They're just standard skewers, square ones rather than flat ones because you want them to be able to take the weight. You just space them out inside and then this will sit directly on there, right down close to your firebox. You get a nice raging fire going in here, charcoal red hot, get your steaks directly on, probably get 2 on at a time, and you're going to get wicked sear marks off of this grate, much better from it being all the way up at the normal level. So yeah, that's a bit of a hack for the Aldi Kamado. The second way that we're going to cook these steak is again once this is all raging hot. So probably after I've cooked some on the Sear Grate, for the people that don't like the next type of steak, we're going to cook our steak dirty. So we're laying it directly on top of the charcoal. To do this, you want to blow all your excess ash off the top. Get yourself a nice flat bed of coal, so get in there with some tongs and move some about if you need to. And then get your steak and you lay it directly onto the charcoal itself. You don't want to season this steak until after it's cooked, because if you're putting that amount of heat on there, you are going to burn pepper and things like that, and you're going to get a bitter taste. But if you've never cooked steak dirty, then definitely give it a try, because it is a wicked way to cook steak, and it imparts such a smoky flavour in a really quick time. So as I say, get your coals searing hot and then straight on with your steak, and this is going to give you some wicked grill marks. I've got one on and then get the other on. And then these are only going to take a couple of minutes per side as they're not that thick. So after a couple of minutes, give them a flip, and as you can see, you've got them nice sear marks. Some nice grill marks on there, beautiful. So the second way, I've already blown the ash off, going straight on with the steak straight on top of the charcoal. Get the second one on. These are going to take even less time because they're that little bit hotter. So about 1.5 minutes each side to give us a nice medium. And then get them flipped. If you get any charcoal stuck, just peel it off. Get the second one flipped. And a beautiful medium rare. If you like what we're doing, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment.